Sometimes we look at our own family story and privately wonder if it is just too broken for God to ever use. We might feel that certain backgrounds or past mistakes automatically disqualify us from a greater purpose. The truth is, Matthew chapter 1 boldly challenges that very idea about our messy histories. Christ's genealogy deliberately weaves together a divine purpose through lines that include mistakes, ruptures, and painful chapters. Matthew doesn't gloss over the brokenness. In fact, he intentionally highlights it for us to see. This genealogy isn't a testament to perfect people, but rather to a perfect God working across imperfect generations. Today, we will discover that your family history, even with all its cracks, remains fundamentally part of God's sovereign plan. Matthew begins by carefully tracing Jesus' lineage, all the way from Abraham down to Joseph. This tracing is certainly not random, nor is it just a dry historical documentation for the archives. It is the Holy Spirit reminding every generation that God never begins his work completely from scratch. He consistently works through existing generations, difficult transitions, national crises, and even through past family failures. The detailed genealogy intentionally includes moments of solemn covenant promises being made. It also points to unexpected times of serious sin that affected the family line directly. We see included periods of national exile where everything seemed completely lost and static. But even amidst that darkness, there were essential times of powerful restoration happening. The text even acknowledges periods of national silence where God seemed completely distant. Despite all these ups and downs, the divine narrative kept moving forward without stopping. God kept weaving the tapestry, and God continued to write his unfolding story through it all. This entire documented lineage proves one vital thing for us today. Your family's past does not ultimately limit what God can do. Instead, it reveals the perfect stage for his grace to shine even brighter. First, we must understand that God purposefully uses stories clearly marked by social scandal. The genealogy bravely includes figures like Tamar, Rahab, and even Bathsheba in the direct line. Their personal narratives involve deception, difficult circumstances, adultery, and clear instances of injustice. Yet, God sovereignly chose each of these women to be foundational parts of the promised messianic line. The essential question here is why God chose to include these very specific accounts. He did this to show that when human brokenness reaches its limit, divine redemption is always the real final answer. Second, God actively uses stories that were marked by foreignness and being an outsider. Consider Ruth, who was a Moabite woman, someone not even considered part of Israel by bloodline. But God deliberately brought her into the lineage to show his plan extends beyond mere race or human-made borders. Third, the divine narrative intentionally incorporates stories that include both powerful kings and outright rebels. The record mentions righteous leaders like King Hezekiah, who honored God in their time. But it also includes deeply rebellious kings like Manasseh, who turned the nation away from God. God powerfully worked through the faithfulness of the first and the terrible failures of the second. This proves his ultimate plan is never dependent on our own shaky human consistency. Instead, his sovereign plan reliably stands firm through his unwavering grace alone. Fourth, the genealogy highlights stories that were marked by devastating national exile. The exile was arguably the absolute darkest national moment that Israel ever experienced in its history. Yet Matthew deliberately points this out by specifically stating, after the exile. This detail confirms that even in the deepest, most painful ruptures, God is constantly moving the narrative toward Jesus. Maybe your personal story right now includes experiences like divorce or deep separation from loved ones. Perhaps you carry the heavy weight of abandonment, the lingering effects of abuse, or persistent poverty, generational pain, addiction struggles. These are real parts of many family histories today. But the ancient genealogy clearly shows us something crucial about God's ability. God absolutely can write the ultimate story of salvation through a lineage that has been thoroughly bruised. The painful ruptures you experienced were never the final stopping point. They became the very places where God's mercy entered the story. The whole genealogy serves as a powerful testimony to three incredible truths about your life. First, God is never ashamed of the history that has shaped you, no matter how messy it seems. Second, God is never intimidated by the specific weaknesses or flaws present in your family background. And finally, God is not ultimately limited or restricted by the deep, lasting wounds your family has sustained. He possesses the power to transform every single rupture into a definitive act of powerful redemption. Matthew chapter 1 definitively teaches us these four foundational things about God's work. He always works through families that are undeniably imperfect in their makeup and actions. He has the unique ability to transform even the deepest ruptures into fulfilling divine purpose. He honors the commitment of his covenant promises even when working through deeply broken human beings. And he prepares the final way of salvation through long, painful, and incredibly complex generational history. Understand this. Your own family story is not presented as a barrier to God's plan for you. Instead, it is the very soil, the unique ground, where God is determined to grow his purpose. You may never truly like every part of your family history, and that is completely understandable. You might not fully understand the complex chain of events that brought you here or feel proud of them. But God has the power to take every single rupture, every wound, every failure, and every dark moment you faced. He can weave it seamlessly into his sovereign and absolutely unstoppable plan for your life. Jesus Christ himself came through a line that was wounded, imperfect, and frequently interrupted. And because of that reality, God can certainly bring his ultimate purpose through your unique, broken family line too.